Hello friends, welcome to House of Tech English. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to delete anything like file, folder, document, photos or videos in your Mac. There are multiple ways to do this and I'm going to explain each and every method. But before going ahead, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now the basic method to delete any particular file is just simply select the file, and once you do that, either you can tap with two finger on that file and you will get an option like this, or else you can right click on your trackpad and again you will get this option. So over here you can select move to bin option, and as soon as you select that, the file will be deleted from your Mac, but it is still available in bin. So all the deleted files can be seen over here. So this is the easiest way to delete any particular file. Another method is, once you select the file or photo or video which you want to delete, after that you can just simply go and select file option on the menu bar, and over here again you get an option of move to bin. If you select that, the file will be deleted from your Mac and you can check out in bin. Now let's talk about other method, and that is you can use keyboard shortcut. So suppose if I want to delete this particular file, I'm going to select it, and this time you can simply press command and delete on your keyboard and the file will be deleted, and again you can check that file in bin. So this is another method. Now one more method over here is, if you want to delete the file permanently without sending it to bin, then there is one more keyboard shortcut you can use, and that is I have one test folder over here. So suppose I want to delete it, I'm going to select that folder or file, and this time I'm going to press option command and delete. So if you use this particular keyboard shortcut, then it will give you a pop-up screen saying that are you sure you want to delete test folder. This item will be deleted immediately. You can't undo this action. So you have to use this method only when you want to delete the file directly without sending it to bin. So if I select delete over here, you can see the folder is deleted from my Mac, and if I go and check out bin, you can see the folder is not visible over here. It is permanently deleted. And keep one thing in mind, you cannot undo this process. Next thing is, if you want to put back all the files you have deleted or some selected files which you want to use once again, then in that case, if the file is available in bin, you can just simply select that file. If you want to select multiple files, then once you select any particular file, you can press shift and tap or select another file. So this is how you can select multiple file, and if you want to put that back in your Mac, right click again on the selected file and select put back. Now what it will do is, it will put back the file to your Mac. And suppose if you want to empty the bin, if you want to delete files which are present in bin, then you can just simply open bin over here, and if you tap on empty option, it will give you a pop-up screen saying that are you sure you want to permanently erase the item in the bin. You can't undo this action. If you want to empty it, you can select empty bin, and now you can see the bin is clear. Now talking about another method, and that is if you want to delete multiple files at the same time. Suppose if you want to delete all the files present in this folder, either you can press command plus A to select all the files, or else if you have multiple files over here, you can simply press shift and you can select the files which you want to delete. And after that, either you can use command plus delete or option command plus delete, or you can just tap on the selected file and select move to bin, and again you can check all those files in bin, and from here you can delete it permanently. Now let me tell you one more thing. Now you can see I have image and video. Again you can apply the same method to delete it, but if you want to delete the file or folder without using shortcut or without going in file and selecting move to bin option, one thing you can do is you can drag and drop the file to bin. So if I select this folder which I want to delete, I'm going to drag it to bin and I'm going to leave it. Now you can see the file is deleted from my Mac. I can still check it in bin, and from here if I select empty, the file will be deleted permanently. So these are few methods you can use to delete anything in your Mac. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.